να ασκούμε την αρετή της αγάπης.
Pentru a câștiga dragostea lui Dumnezeu trebuie să studiem Biblia în fiecare zi.
Στον τάφο δεν θα μπορούμε ούτε Κύριε Λέησο να πούμε ούτε κανένα καλό έργο να κάνουμε.
When we will die, we will not be able to say, "Oh, God, forgive me," or to do anything good in our life anymore.
Τα σάβανα, τα νεκρικά κουστούμια δεν έχουν τσέπες, είναι άτσεπα.
And our clothes, which will be covered in the tomb, they don't have pockets. It means that we can't take anything with us in that life.
După moarte nu vom putea lua nimic acum și acum este momentul să ne rugăm, că apoi nu vom mai putea zice, Doamne,
Ό,τι δώσαμε τα χεράκια μας, αυτά είναι δικά μας. Τα άλλα θα τα πάρουν οι άλλοι, δεν μας ανήκουν.
The only things which are ourselves are the things that we have given to others.
Έχασα τα πάντα εκτός από εκείνα που έδωσα.
I have lost everything except for the things I've given.
am zis că cel mai important este cu lucrurile cu care rămân sunt lucrurile pe care le dăruim, pentru că Părintele a pierdut totul și a rămas doar cu lucrurile pe care le-a dăruit.
Τίποτε δεν είναι δικό μου όταν είναι μόνο για τον εαυτό μου.
And nothing in the world is mine if it is just only for me.
Η φτώχεια και ο πλούτος δεν βρίσκονται στα σπίτια μας, αλλά στις καρδιές μας.
The poorness
Η φτώχεια και ο πλούτος δεν βρίσκονται στα σπίτια μας, αλλά στις καρδιές μας.
the poorness and loss of money. It's not in the house. It's in our heart.
Η λογική μας λέει μη δίνεις γιατί θα στηριχθείς και θα πεθάνεις.
It's logically to be said, don't give it to another one because you will be hungry then.
Η πίστη μας λέει δώσε για να σου δώσει ο Θεός 100 φορές περισσότερα από όσα έδωσες.
Nimic pe fondul ăsta nu este numai pentru noi și trebuie să dăruim.
But our faith and our religion says the opposite thing. Give it to another one because the God will give you will give 100 times more.
Averile ne întunecă inima și uităm să mai dăm, dar religia vine și ne spune să dăm pentru că Dumnezeu ne va da înzecit.
Κουλός είναι αυτός που δεν έχει χέρια. Ναι, κουλός είναι αυτός που δεν έχει χέρια, είναι κομμένα τα χέρια του.
The person who doesn't have hands.
Τα χέρια του κουλού είναι πολύ πολύ καλύτερα από τα χέρια του τσιγκούνι.
But the hands of the person who doesn't have the hands are better than the hands of the great man.
Mâinile celor care nu le, adică mâinile unui ciung sunt mai bune decât mâinile unui grec.
Unui lacom.
Θέλεις να γίνεις φτωχός, θησάβριζε.
If you want to become poor, gather the things, take the things more and more.
Dacă vrei să devii sărac, acaparează cât mai multe averi.
Θέλεις να έχεις αυθονία, σκόρπιζε.
If you want to be hungry, gather the things, keep it, don't give it to anyone.
Dacă vrei să devii flămând, împământat, păstrează-ți-le toate, nu de la nimeni nimic.
Θέλεις να γίνεις ζητιάνος, αποθήκευε.
If you want to become a beggar, keep the things to yourself. Keep the things.
Θέλεις να πεθάνεις από την πείνα, κλείσε τα μάτια σου και τα αυτιά σου στον ανθρώπινο πόνο και στην ανθρώπινη δυστυχία.
If you want to die from the hunger, close your eyes to others' pain and to
Χαρά στα μάτια που δακρύζουν για κάποιον άλλον που πονά.
The eyes which cry for the other's pain are blessed.
Γιατί αυτά τα μάτια θα ειδούνε του παραδείσου τα καλά.
Because those eyes will see the paradise.
Ochii care plâng pentru alții vor vedea paradisul.
Χαρά στα χέρια όπου δίνουν μικρά παιδιά και ορφανά.
The hands which help to the orphans and the poor people are blessed.
Γιατί αυτά τα χέρια θα γίνουν φτερά για να πετούν ψηλά.
Mâinile care ajută săracii și
Because
orfanii să vină
these
cuvântat.
arms will become the wings and will help you to go to the paradise.
Mâinile vor
Χαρά
să
στο στόμα όπου λέγει λόγια παρήγορα γλυκά.
The mouth from which come the words of help of love are blessed. The mouth is blessed.
Γιατί αυτό το στόμα θα ψάλει με τους αγγέλους οσανά.
Because this mouth and this tongue will sing to the angels.
Gura care va lăuda și va lăuda pe Dumnezeu, va cânta alături de îngeri.
Χαρά στο σπίτι όπου ανοίγει την πόρτα στον περαστικό.
The house which opens the door for the beggars, for the poor people.
Γιατί αυτή η πόρτα ανοίγει στην Παναγιά και στον Χριστό.
Because this door is open for the Christ and the Mother of God.
Să deschidem ușile săracilor, pentru că așa deschidem ușa Domnului și Maicii Domnului.
Ευλογημένοι να είστε οικογενειακώς εντονοί, αιώνιοι και εντομέλλοντες.
I wish you all to be blessed by the God, your families and all of you,
Τώρα δεν έχω άλλο.
this life and in eternity.
Εντάξει, ευλογείτε. Εντάξει,
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
εντάξει, είναι καλά.
Χάρηκα πάρα πολύ.
Θα τα πούμε μετά, σε πάρω κι εγώ, ναι.